Good afternoon, everyone. I'm leaving the Albritton job. I don't know if y'all remember this, but there was nothing here but a big slope and grass. We added this beautiful mansard roof enclosure, pavers, footing. Got this nice area we closed in for his barbecue area. We moved the air conditioner around the corner. Good stuff. Created more space. Look at this. I mean, look at this. Got a nice little lake view. We put a giant retaining wall. Come check this out. Gets even better. So they added on these pavers here going to the driveway. Check this out. Look at this little step. Look at this. Perfect radius seating bench. 6x9 border. You got lights. Come down. Beautiful fire pit. There is a chase pipe in there so they can add a future burner. And then we're going to come down the side steps and come back to our retaining wall. Remember, this yard was on a major slope. See the deck? So this is how we did this. We came in and we got retaining wall up under. All that got backfilled with not dirt like an ordinary paving contractor would try to do. Just put dirt in there and be cheap. We put crushed concrete. We believe that to be the best, and we believe it to never sink. And I can tell you, you look at some of these videos, we fixed a ton of jobs that have sand up under it. So this is a nice retaining wall all backfilled, and we got lights up under the seating wall. So I think Mr. Albritton's going to add a planter here with some lights to shine upon the palm tree. And that'll probably be it. So you guys have a blessed day and stay tuned for the next Dream Backyard. See ya.